Baja Fish Tacos. Ingredients: 1 1/4 pound cod, cut into short strips or bite-sized chunks. Salt. Black pepper. Pinch cayenne pepper. Half teaspoon ground cumin. Half teaspoon ground coriander. Half teaspoon granulated garlic. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 12-ounce bottle of beer. I used the Mexican lager. Vegetable oil, for frying, about 3 cups. Corn tortillas, warm, about 24 tortillas so you can double up on each taco. Cilantro leaves, lime, sliced radishes, for garnish. Taco sauce ingredients: 1 cup mayo. Half cup sour cream. 5 cloves garlic. 1 tablespoon lime zest. 1 tablespoon lime juice. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1/4 teaspoon, slightly heaping, salt. Citrus slaw ingredients: 1 teaspoon orange zest. 1/4 cup fresh squeezed